Here we are, everybody. A nice Goldwing trike. Where you guys from?
Montana.
Montana. What are you doing in Sturgis?
Like everybody else, riding bikes.
Riding bikes. You just made YouTube.
Okay.
Enjoy. Be safe here. And this guy's gonna try to blow his bike up. There's some money spent. Little low rider there. A lot of money floating around here, everybody.
Oh yeah. Just keep knocking them off. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40.
That's my New York buddy right there. He's 104 years old, everybody.
104.
104. He looks awesome. And still riding.
I don't look a day over 103.
You do not, sir. You look awesome. Be safe out there, okay?
You too. Don't forget, Motorcycles and Poker Adventure. YouTube.
Subscribe.
Tune in.
Click
Tune
like.
in. YouTube, Motorcycle and Poker Adventures.
And if you don't like it, click it again.
Yeah.
Got it. And we got more rolling in here. And we got the ladies. Check out the tongue. One more time. Where you from, ma'am? Minnesota. Can't compete with the music there, but you look great. And we're just gonna walk the street a little bit here in Main Street. This guy is loaded. Check this out. We love the dog. Love the dog. Love the bike. Mr. Indian there. Little rock and roll, little rap. And it comes zipping around the corners here. Check them out, everybody. And let's take a walk on the other side of this main drag of Sturgis Main Street. We got Wonder Woman coming here. We got Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. And we're gonna wrap up this video, everybody, with this awesome V8 chopper. Check it out. What a piece of machinery. Follow us, everybody. And the American way right there. Some of these are so full dress, some of them are half naked. But we don't care. Here comes a YouTuber. We got a YouTuber filming. Check out the videos.
All them Harleys up.
Get them on YouTube.
Thank you, thank you.
We got the guy with the great looking hair. Up, we got Wonder Woman back. Follow us, everyone. Motorcycles and Poker Adventures. Tune on off. Stay tuned for more videos to come.